Estrogens.
To start talking about estrogens, first of all, we need to answer the question, what is an estrogen? Well, estrogens are sexual hormones that are very important for they are sexual hormones because they are referred as the female sex hormone. But, they're important for the reproductive and sexual development of the women. Estrogens. Estrogens are mainly produced in women. Women produce estrogens in ovaries, but in case of pregnancy, they are produced in the placenta. Men also produce estrogens, but in lower levels than women. Estrogens in men are secreted by the adrenal glands and by the testes. Well, there's another question to answer. What is the function of estrogens? As I mentioned before, women produce estrogens in ovaries, but in case of pregnancy, they are also produced in fat cells and adrenal gland. The estrogen hormone plays a very important role at the onset of puberty because they are part of the development of the secondary sexual characteristics of women, as the breasts, the wider hips, the armpit hair, and the pubic hair. In case of men, how does the estrogen affect them? Well, the estradiol, which is a predominant form of the estrogen, plays a critical role in them because it helps to the erectile function and also for the spermatogenesis. And it can be a daily use of estrogens, but the estrogens help us a lot to the regulation of our menstrual cycle, and it also helps us to the bone formation in the help of the vitamin D and the calcium.
Now, estrogens, interesting and fun facts.
If you expose a melanocyte to an estrogen, it will respond, making more melanin. Estrogens prevent loss of bones. They help your liver protein. And it also keeps your cholesterol levels in check.
Growth hormone.
Growth hormone, abbreviated as GH, also called somatotropin or human growth hormone, is an hormone that is produced by the pituitary glands. The GH is totally vital during childhood. Why? Because its main function is to maintain a normal physical growth in the kid, and its levels rise progressively onto the growth spurt that occurs during puberty. Another function of the GH is that it stimulates protein and increases fat breakdown to provide the energy necessary for tissue growth. The growth hormone secretion occurs during deep sleeps that occur in puberty. Why GH is so important? Well, it stimulates the immune system, it increases the calcium retention, it stimulates the growth of all other organs except the brain, and it fuels homeostasis. It also increases muscle mass and bone mineralization.
Growth hormone, fun and interesting facts. GH acts directly on tissues, but much of its effect is mediated by stimulation of the liver.
GH antagonizes the action of insulin. A higher level than the adequate of GH is commonly associated with skeletal and metabolic disorders.